Who doesn't like a life with a nice mansion and luxurious cars? For some people, this wealthy lifestyle might seem unattainable. But rags to riches stories prove that anyone can be rich if they work hard and make smart decisions. This is a story of the richest digital pirate who had the business acumen of a Harvard grad, but made some wrong decisions in life. Bill Omar Carrasquillo went, in the span of just a few years, from a small dealer in a street corner to running a multi-million-dollar streaming TV empire. On YouTube, he is known as Omi and a Hellcat, a flamboyant business mogul in diamond-studded jewelry who commanded a fleet of luxury cars, including many Lamborghinis, Hellcats, and ran his own clothing line and restaurants. Omi tapped into a brand new, unregulated industry and became one of the richest digital content thieves. Omi's Instagram showcased his luxurious lifestyle, photos of custom jewelry and the latest additions to his car collection. His love for Hellcat cars interspersed with photos of his family, including one of his sons holding stacks of cash. He posted multiple YouTube videos a week where he gave $1,000 to a pizza delivery guy, and a video where he showed his weekly earning of $1.1 million. And in another video, he went shopping for a $500,000 Lamborghini. Omi and his associates, Jesse Gonzalez from California and Michael Barone from New York, earned nearly $50 million and owned more than 50 luxury cars and motorcycles, and dozens of properties in different parts of the United States, including nightclubs and restaurants. How did they make all of this money? All this was possible due to the multi-million-dollar streaming IPTV empire. IPTV refers to Internet-Based Protocol Television, where the Internet is used to deliver TV programs and videos that are either live or on demand, instead of antennas, satellite dishes, or fiber optic cables. Omi and his associates ran an online service that provided copyrighted TV shows and movies in exchange for a fee to thousands of subscribers. They were the owners of different IPTV services like Reboot, Gears TV, Reloaded, and Gears Reloaded. Subscribers had access to hundreds of on-demand movies and television shows like Game of Thrones and The Walking Dead, as well as access to dozens of live cable channels and pay-per-view events for a subscription as low as $10 a month. They also ran an online library of movies called Streams R Us, or SRIJ. But how did they obtain the movies and cable TV shows? They obtained the content by subscribing to legitimate cable and video services from Comcast, Verizon, Charter, DirecTV, and Frontier. They then set up cable boxes and other devices to access the content in different homes in Philadelphia, California, and New York. They never disclosed to the cable companies that they intended to copy, transmit, and stream the video content to thousands of their own subscribers. Normally, cable companies deliver their video content with encryption called HDCP. In order for subscribers to see the content, they need a set-top box and access card which removes the encryption from the video content. Omi imported encoders from China that allowed them to remove encryption from the video content, download it to servers, and then transmit it over the internet. It's like setting up his own Netflix platform. Subscribers could access the video content on his website. The service even included a subscriber interface akin to a TV guide that allowed users to browse a list of the programs that were available for viewing. But how did it get started? To understand this, we need to know Omi's life history. Omi is a well-known rapper, YouTube personality, and entrepreneur who was born on August 6, 1986. As of 2021, he is 35 years old. His father was a well-known dealer in Philadelphia, and even served time in federal prison. He started working as a pizza delivery boy, which was the first job of his life. Omi dropped out of school in the 11th grade when he was jailed for being a snow dealer. Omi's criminal activities continued until his son Omar was born. When Omar was diagnosed with autism, Omi's life changed. This life-changing event caused Omi to change his lifestyle for his son. After that, he made his interest in business and started reselling game DVDs. After some time, he launched his own hosting company and hosted popular games like Minecraft and Grand Theft Auto. After this, he started selling Amazon Fire Stick. Fire Sticks are a streaming device made by Amazon that allow people to watch their favorite streaming apps such as Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, etc. on TV. But Omi's Fire Sticks were not your normal Fire Sticks. They were jailbroken Fire Sticks and were loaded with different apps that allowed people to watch movies and TV shows by one click. He sold these for $150 a piece and earned thousands of dollars every week. But thousands of dollars wasn't enough for him, so he began seeking other ways to make even more money. Omi became interested in IPTV. He saw potential in IPTV and knew that this was his ticket to become a millionaire. He then developed his new alias, Target in 1080p, and became very active in the Kodi community. Kodi is a platform that allows IPTV apps to be accessed on streaming devices, such as the Amazon Fire Stick. Later on, he hired IPTV developers and started his IPTV app called Gears TV, which was named after his favorite video game, Gears of War. This app allowed the user to pay a cheap monthly subscription fee to access every single cable TV channel. Gears TV subscriber base grew exponentially to a point it had more than 100,000 subscribers. At $15 a month per subscription, that would mean he was earning $1.5 million a month, and that comes out to around $18 million a year. That's more than some NFL players. He became a multi-millionaire quickly and bought a Camaro and then a Bentley, indulging in his love of cars. Later on, he started two other IPTV companies called Gears Reloaded and Reloaded. Reloaded became one of the most popular IPTV apps in the space due to its wide variety of channels and reliability. In 2019, Omi had an estimated net worth of $50 million. But showcasing his lavish multi-million-dollar lifestyle had its repercussions. Everything came crumbling down one morning. Omi woke up to multiple loud knocks on his mansion doors. 30 federal agents came knocking at his door.
Thank you.
This one.
Oh, over here. Thank you. You good? What if I don't want to work?
The FBI raided his properties and seized more than 30 of his cars and millions of dollars from his bank account and homes. Bill Omar Carrasquillo, aka Omi, is charged with conspiracy, fraud, violating the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, computer fraud, wire fraud, money laundering, and tax evasion. If convicted, he could face a sentence of 514 years in prison. Jesse Gonzalez and Michael Barone, Omi's partners, also face the same charges, and if convicted, they could face a minimum 150 years in prison. During the court hearing, Omi said to the judge, "Don't put me in jail. What the hell is that going to do? I'm not a threat to society. Let me pay off my debts, the millions of dollars that I owe the government and companies, and I'll pay it off, and then we'll all go about our way." Bradley Benavides, special FBI agent, said, "You can't just go and monetize someone else's copyrighted content with impunity. That's the whole point of securing a copyright. Theft is theft. And if you're going to willfully steal another person's intellectual property, the FBI stands ready to step in and shut you down." For some people, Omi is a hero, and for others, he is a criminal. He gave up selling poison to his community to create a service that allowed people who couldn't afford the massive fees cable companies charge to enjoy cable TV. Now, only the law can decide if he is a culprit or a hero. A defendant is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. See more interesting videos in our alternate channel. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.